Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to go over how to draw a ghost. There's a lot of different ways to draw a ghost. Go check out my ghost playlist in the description. Basically, there's so many different ways to draw a ghost. There's a variety of many ways, and this is just one of them. We're going to go through this very simply, easily, and step by step, okay? So if you're a beginner, this is going to be super easy for you, so stay till the end of the video to kind of see that. All right, let's get into it. One more thing. If you like the Halloween spirit, you like feeling that through the season, I love that stuff. Click the subscribe and the bell notification because that's going to let you know when I post. You'll see it on your feed and you can enjoy that Halloween goodness. So let's get started. Let's go over here and I'm going to curve here this way. Rolling down. It's going to out here, out here. And now we're going to go to the arms. And the arms themselves are going to seem very tendril. Over here. I'm going to draw like kind of a belly of the ghost in a way. Like that. I'm going to pull down here. Curve in a circle like that. Go over here, curve in a circle. I'm going to go over here and draw a kind of a mouth there. That's going to be the top of the mouth. Pull down here, curve. Go down here as well. For the tongue. I'm going to fill this in right here. Completely fill it in. Right on. So we got his tongue sticking out there. And I'm going to throw his eyes here. So his eyes are going to be like that. Curve underneath. Like that. Underneath. And I'm going to fill that in. And what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna add detail. So I'm gonna throw little lines here, like little folds, right there, right? These are generally thinner lines, not always. And I want to throw folds on there, like I don't know, like he's made of almost. It's like organic, you know, or like again, he's made of a sheet, of obviously, but I want it to look organic because that's really gonna convince you that he's real. A line over here, a line over here, line up, line up. And you can kind of throw these all over the place, anywhere, usually where there's like a turn. Like so. Right on. You want that really organic look, at least for this particular ghost design. Not always. I've seen that a lot of movie designs. When they do that, it kind of makes it look kind of wild. And let's get into a couple more details. So I'm going to draw the fold of his mouth over here as well. Gonna throw some folds here, some folds here into the mouth. Kind of yelling out. Throw some maybe angry over here eyes. Over here. Like so. And let's throw some more detail in there. So what I can do here is I can draw little lines like so along the tongue, little lines along the side. That tends to show off form when that happens. Putting these little dots here, little dots, dots here. Like these dots just kind of give it like a grainy feel, and I'm just kind of putting them anywhere, but I'm making sure they're thin, so the fact that they're thin makes them more of a detail. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So I left a free gift for you in the description. It is free Halloween drawing templates. They're ready to print. They are sized out to print. So go check that out if you have time. Well, basically that's my gift to you, so go pick that up. It's the first link in the description. There's over 100. I actually sold this as a product before, but when you click the description this time, it's completely free. When you click the link in the description, go check it out, download it completely for free. It was a product last year, but now it's free. We'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon. I want you to stay spooky, and I want you to stay with me so we can talk about Halloween more often this year. Talk to you later, all right? See you soon.